If you want to use the daily board on Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, then first of all, we need to start charging our Galaxy Tab. There we go. And when we are charging our Galaxy Tab A11, then in the bottom left corner, you should be able to find this icon. We can tap on it in order to open the daily board. First, we will have to set it up so you can choose what should appear on the daily board. I'm not going to actually exclude anything. I'm just going to keep everything enabled. We can press continue, and there we go. And now, as you can see, we can swipe between different options over here. We can set up smart things and so on and so forth. And that's pretty much it. In the top right corner, we can find, for example, settings. We can find some additional tools here and there. We can adjust the brightness of the screen and so on. And if you want to exit the daily board, you can, for example, reveal your buttons, and you can, let's say, go to background apps or home screen in order to just exit it. And in case you don't have this icon, you need to open settings, scroll down over here on the left side until you find advanced features. There we go. And you should be able to find the daily board option. Make sure that it is enabled. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.